How important is the Women's Day?
I think Women's Day is in totality a celebration, and it is a day to give respect and consider that yes, women are whatever they are doing in their respective fields, they are making a difference, and their validation is so very much important to this world. Also, I feel that a little more equality is what is needed for the woman to grow further in any trade, in any business. So I feel Women's Day in totality is a celebration. It's to all the moms out there, to all the ladies out there, to all the daughters out there, to all the individual women who are trying to make a difference in this world.
Who's your host tonight?
So today I'm here to be. I have been doing my PR with Shimmer. So today I am being hosted by them, and I so look forward to the grand evening. And again, Shimmers, they have two beautiful women who are like entrepreneurs, and you have Namita, you have Tasneem, and it's been started by them. And I think I was one of their initial clients, and ever since then, I have only been associated with them here in Mumbai.
What happening on professional front?
वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग वुमेन्स डे
Yeah.
अगर आपको चांस मिला तो कौन सी ऐसी लॉ या एनी कॉज यू वांट टू स्टार्ट फॉर
एक लॉ और एक कॉज जो आपने पूछा कि मैं लेडीज़ के लिए, वुमेन आउट देयर के लिए स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी, दैट देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स व्हाट आई हैव नोटिस्ड इवन इन माय पर्सनल लाइफ, a lot of times, it has so happened, in fact, post COVID, a lot of men, they are trying upon you, and once you say that no, I am not interested or anything, they say, oh shit, oh, we were just kidding or something like that. It has, I was just discussing it with my friends, it has become a new trend, a new trick for men to try on a woman, and then when the woman holds herself back, they say, I was just kidding or something. So this is a very different thing which is happening in the society, and at the end of it, what you are trying to convey to a woman, that you were just misunderstanding me or you just made a fool out of yourself. No, I just want to say that women are very smart, and anything of that sort, if a woman is facing in a work scenario or any scenario, that should also be taken in consideration, because that is also kind of not molestation, but you are just uh, you know uh, trying to harm their psyche somewhere. You feel bad about it, that what happened, what really happened, was it a mistake or I misunderstood, but somewhere it's triggering your mind. So why you are trying to act in a particular manner where a woman is having that question mark, and that something like that, I would like to start this cause where women in can come together and they can have at least a discussion, and one woman can help suggesting another woman that yes, this was your experience and this was my experience, and things like that, they are happening in society, and that also needs a calling. And this is really happening with a lot of people even going to college, girls going to even school, of course at workplaces. So maybe a society where women can just come together and just have a discussion, because a discussion makes a lot of difference, and new ideas coming from another woman, it really can make a difference to the society in large.
What happening on professional front? What happening on professional front?
On the professional front, I completed a web film in Telugu where I mostly work, and I also completed a web film here in Bollywood. It's going to be coming on a new OTT, which is being launched in a very big manner. So I'm really looking forward. The Hindi one is a cute 23-minute story, and it's been shot very well. There's also one song in it, so I hope you're going to enjoy, watching that one. I think it's getting launched in the month of March itself, so I'm really looking forward to that. Apart from that, I have a couple of more films in Telugu which I'm looking forward to. Maybe we are going to start rolling in April. Not maybe, but we are going to be start rolling in April. So I'm looking forward to that also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So good to see you, Nara.
Thank you.
How important is a Women's Day?
See, Women's Day, I to celebrate every day because every day we do something, we try and achieve something. But it is a day of recognition and recognizing everything that a woman does in life. So it is very important.
Who's your host tonight?
Tonight, I dedicate this day to my mom. She's everything for me. So yeah.
Okay, what happening on professional front?
Professional, I'm enjoying Hello G, and there is something new that is in the pipeline. I'm working on that. I'm prepping for that, and I'll let you know soon.
Can you throw some light on that? Apart from allergy, what
Something very nice in July.
it will be a web or
Web.
do you think there's a kranti in terms of when I talk about post lockdown, big short films coming on digital platform? Do you think something big is happening now? This digital platform is bigger than films and all.
It is big because see, during the lockdown, we all sat at home and watched things on web. So that's the booming market, and we know that when we want to go out, it's an investment of time and money and everything. It's an outing that's going to be special. But otherwise, you don't have to wait to go to theater. Everything is available. So busy लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है web. And जो family के साथ घर पे chill करना चाहते हैं, it's very good.
Now there's a new guideline too about क्या दिखा सकते हैं और क्या नहीं.
Correct.
What's your take on that?
I think it's amazing because sometimes we tend to go overboard with certain things which the makers think the audience want, but actually audience may not want it. So I'm glad there is this restriction.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Good to see you.
Yeah, thanks.
Absolutely a different way to celebrate Women's Day.
Yeah.
Tell us.
I feel, yeah. I mean, I'm proud to be a woman first of all, and I always look forward for this day because you know we all actually need to celebrate women, even men. Please understand this, because I feel that every man also has this femininity inside it which they don't know, and they should know about it. And a little bit of more importance towards girls is always good because we like it. And I have been a state level hockey player. I played hockey. I mean, when I was in school, my friends were like, "Why would you want to play a sport which is not a female sport?" Because मुझे बहुत लगता था, मुझे बहुत लगा है. So and I chose it because I felt I was powerful enough and I'm strong enough to choose such a sport. I'm a good dancer, and then I'm an actor now. And very soon I'm going to come up with something more which is not related to acting. You all know about it. So I'm privileged to be here and to be a part of the celebration. Happy Women's Day.
Who is the host for tonight?
The host is Shimmer Entertainment.
Tell us your experience working with them.
Okay, so Namita and Tasneem have also been good friends, more than just an agency or an entertainment thing. So they're amazing people. They have actually helped to promote us a lot always. They encourage young talent, and I think it's to keep such an event, to host such an event, it's a good thing that they decided to do this, and I am glad to be a part of this.
Okay, Zubeen, Himansh, Turbas, what next?
Okay. So my new song which is out, which is called Main Jis Din Bhula Do, it's a T-series song. It's doing really well. So we crossed like 60 million views today, and I'm very happy to be a part of that song and T-series, of course. Next is a web series which I just completed like last week. So the platform is yet not revealed, but it's going to be a big thing, the next big thing for me. So you all can watch me in that web.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So good to see you, Malvi. So, so good to see you.
Hi, it's really nice to see you all today.